Now I'll be doing question number 9. Question 9 actually shows a triangle with 3 sides, A, B, C. AB is 6.3 cm, AC is 10.5 cm, and BC equals to 8.4 cm. It looks like a right angle triangle. Question A, show that ABC is a right angle triangle. But before we can do all this question A and B, we can write down all the formulas that can be linked to triangle. So I write down first, area equals to half times base times height. Second formulas that you can link to triangle will be C square equals to A square plus B square. The last one is dua ka so. So now I look at the question. Question 9a. Show that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. With all 3 sides given, question A, I will use C square equals to A square plus B square, Pythagoras theorem. For B, they ask us to calculate the angle at C, which is here. So for the formulas to be linked to any angles, there's only one formula, that is dua ka so. So let me approach the question slowly so that you can understand how I do it. 9a, show that ABC is a right angle triangle. I will use Pythagoras theorem, C square equals to A square plus B square. C square, C, is always the longest side of the right angle triangle. By looking at the diagram, the biggest number is 10.5. So I will find 10.5 square, which is 110.25. Next, I will look at the other side of the formula, A square plus B square. This will be the other 2 sides of the right angle triangle. So A square plus B square, I will use the other numbers, 6.3 square plus 8.4 square. 6.3 square plus 8.4 square. I also get 110.25. Since both of the numbers are the same, we can say that C square equals to A square plus B square. So A, B, C is a right angle triangle. So this is question 9a. 9b. Calculate the angles at C. Since C is the angles that I have to find, the first thing before I can find the angles, I must put in my how first. So put in my how. Longest side is always H. Opposite the angle that I want to find, in this case C, so 6.3 side will be the O. The other side will be A. For this question, I can use any of it, dua, ka, or so, doesn't matter. Alright, but you must remember whenever I want to find angles, I must always do inverse. So I'm going to use dua in this case. Alright, so I will just write angle C. Since I want to find using tangent, tangent inverse OA. So I will have tangent inverse. What is my O? 6.3 over 8.4. Using the calculator right now, achieve inverse 6.3 over 8.4. Right, we will get 36.8. 36.869. So for angles, we always have one decimal place, 36.9 degrees. That is my answer to question 9B.